If you've studied English in school, you probably know the grammar. But native speakers don't always speak that way. They use idioms. Today, you'll learn 20 idioms people use in everyday conversations, so you can speak English more naturally and confidently in professional conversations. Let's get started. Shoot the breeze. Meaning, to chat casually about unimportant things. Example, they sat on the porch shooting the breeze for hours. Short conversation.
Hey, what are you guys doing out here?
Nothing important. We're just shooting the breeze.
Sounds relaxing. Mind if I join you?
Not at all. Grab a chair.
Catch up. Meaning, to talk with someone and share recent news after not seeing them for a while. Example, let's grab coffee and catch up sometime. Short conversation.
Wow, it's been ages since we last talked.
I know. Let's catch up sometime.
How about coffee this weekend?
That sounds perfect.
Get the hang of it. Meaning, to learn how to do something after practicing. Example, you'll get the hang of it after a few tries. Short conversation.
This game is really confusing.
It seems tricky at first, but you'll get the hang of it.
I hope so. I keep losing every round.
Just give it a few more tries.
Give it a shot. Meaning, to try something. Example, I've never cooked this before, but I'll give it a shot. Short conversation.
Have you ever tried sushi before?
Not really. It looks interesting though.
You should give it a shot. It's actually really good.
All right, I'll try one.
No big deal. Meaning, something that is not important or not a problem. Example, don't worry about the mistake. It's no big deal. Short conversation.
Sorry I'm a little late. Traffic was terrible.
No big deal. We just got here too.
Oh good, I thought I missed something.
Nope, you're right on time.
Go with the flow. Meaning, to accept things as they happen without trying to control everything. Example, we don't have a strict plan today. Let's just go with the flow. Short conversation.
So, what's the plan for tonight?
I'm not sure yet.
Should we decide now?
Nah, let's just go with the flow.
Give someone a heads up. Meaning, to warn or inform someone about something in advance. Example, this is a heads up that the meeting was moved. Short conversation.
Hey, the meeting was moved to 3 p.m.
Oh really? Thanks for letting me know.
No problem. Just wanted to give you a heads up.
I appreciate it.
Take your time. Meaning, there is no need to hurry. Example, take your time. There's no rush. Short conversation.
Should I finish this right away? Nah, take your time. There's no hurry. All right, I just wanted to make sure. Yeah, just focus on doing it well.
Hang in there. Meaning, to stay strong during a difficult situation. Example, I know things are tough right now, but hang in there. Short conversation.
This week has been really stressful.
I can tell. You've been working non-stop.
Yeah, I'm feeling pretty overwhelmed.
Hang in there. Things should calm down soon.
My bad. Meaning, a casual way to say you made a mistake. Example, my bad. I forgot to send the email. Short conversation.
Hey, I think you sent the wrong file.
Oh, really? Let me check.
Yeah, this isn't the latest version.
Ah, my bad. I'll send the correct one now.
Take it easy. Meaning, relax or calm down. Example, take it easy today and don't overwork yourself. Short conversation.
You look really tired today. Yeah, it's been a long week. Maybe you should take it easy tonight. You're right. I think I will.
That rings a bell. Meaning, something sounds familiar. Example, that name rings a bell, but I can't remember where I heard it. Short conversation.
Do you know someone named Daniel Carter? That rings a bell.
I think he used to work in our department.
Oh, right. Now I remember him.
Long time no see. Meaning, a phrase used when you haven't seen someone for a long time. Example, wow, long time no see. Short conversation,
Hey, Thomas, is that you?
Oh, wow, long time no see.
I haven't seen you since college.
I know, it's been years.
I'm all ears. Meaning, you are ready and eager to listen. Example, tell me the story, I'm all ears. Short conversation,
I have some exciting news to share.
Really? I'm all ears.
I just got accepted into the program I applied for.
That's amazing. Congratulations.
it slipped my mind. Meaning, you forgot something. Example, I'm sorry, I forgot your birthday. It slipped my mind. Short conversation,
Did you call the client this morning?
Oh no, it slipped my mind.
They were waiting for your update.
I'll call them right away.
call it even. Meaning, to decide that neither person owes the other anything. Example, you helped me yesterday, so let's call it even. Short conversation,
Thanks for helping me move yesterday. I owe you lunch.
You don't have to do that.
Are you sure?
Yeah, let's just call it even.
that's on me. Meaning, you take responsibility for something. Example, the mistake was on me. Short conversation,
Did someone book the table for tonight? Oh no, I totally forgot. So the reservation wasn't made? Yeah, that's on me. I'll call the restaurant now.
I'm just kidding. Meaning, you were joking. Example, relax, I'm just kidding. Short conversation,
Wait, you quit your job today? Yeah, I packed up my desk and left. Seriously? That's a huge decision. Relax, I'm just kidding.
that makes sense. Meaning, something is logical or understandable. Example, oh, that makes sense now. Short conversation,
I was so confused why the store was closed in the middle of the day.
Well, the news just reported a massive storm heading our way.
Oh, that explains it. I was wondering what was going on.
Exactly. That makes perfect sense now. They probably wanted everyone to get home safely.
fair enough. Meaning, you accept someone's explanation or opinion. Example, fair enough, I understand your point. Short conversation,
I can't come tonight. I have to work late.
Oh, I was hoping you'd join us.
Yeah, sorry about that. Maybe next time.
Fair enough.
those are 20 idioms in today's video. I hope you enjoy learning English. If you found the video interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe to support me. See you next time.